Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from Mass Optimizer. In this quick video I'm going to show you the process of downloading and installing your Twitter account creator and expired name checker. So when you return back to the Twitter account training area, click the blue button to download the software. The software zip file is roughly 100 meg. This also includes 180 banner images and 120 profile images. That's the reasons why the file is so big. So once the file is downloaded, click the arrow and then say show in folder. You can right click, copy, and then take the take the zip file to your desktop, select paste. Now your zip file will be called Twitter account creator. It will not have the brackets one. That was just me making sure that the download was working. So I'm going to rename this to what the file will actually be called for yourselves. So it will just be called Twitter account creator. Now what you do then is you right click and say extract to Twitter account creator. And you'll have a new folder created on your desktop. Now you can simply just delete the zip file. And what we have is the Twitter account creator folder. Double click the folder. As you can see, we've got search results, name check results, accounts to create, account creation results, upload to TMS, which is the Twitter Moments software, so you can upload or add your newly created accounts into the Twitter Moments software. We've got Twitter banner images. As you can see, there's 181 items. They've all been resized to 1500 by 500, and they've all been cleaned as well. So that's the banner images. Excuse me. What we also have is the profile images. Again, all resized to 400 by 400. We then have a bio spin text. Now this is just a default bio spin text that I was using to test the account creator out. We'll have a license DLL file, and then we'll have a locker DLL file. But what we want to do is we want to double click on the Twitter account creator multi-thread name checker _lock.exe file. Double click it. We'll be asked to enter our email address and our license key. And if you've purchased software from me before, you know how we get these. So go back to the training area, copy your registered email address, copy your license key, and then click submit. Once the software loads, give it a minute the first time it loads. And we have the Twitter account creator, Twitter multi-threaded username checker, and the Twitter re-verification. Now we go back to our members area, what should happen now is the activated licenses should be 1. And as you can see, the license is now activated. Any problems, let me know either via support or the private Skype group. Thanks everyone.